It starts now. We are preheating. It says it is 26 degrees, 28, 29, 30. 31. This video is about to show how even this thing heats the bed. This is 40C here. There's colder spots. What is odd? So we are at 47, it says, on the display. 48, 49, 50 degrees. The display, I'm reading the numbers from the display, not from the FLIR. 52, 3. So I have to say, this is pretty accurate, the temperature measurement here on the display. 54, 55 on the display. 56. Well, 58, it's going up to 60. So there is spots here. Here. Wonder why. And I touch it with my finger. It cools down a little bit. There it's colder. And there's another spot where it's colder. Like, this is half a degree only. Let's see how sensitive this FLIR thing is. 61. Yeah, and all those temperature measurements here really match the display. Right, we click in abort. Right. Yep. Monoprice